will show you how to connect your Yamaha Nmax Y Connect sa app na Yamaha Y Connect app. Okay, so first you have to download the app from the Google Play. Just search nyo lang dun sa Play Store. Search nyo lang Yamaha Connect App. Then download the Yamaha motorcycle app. Then after downloading, you open it. There are three options in order to connect with your mobile from your Yamaha Y Connect. Okay, after downloading the app, you will ask to log in your account. You can create a new account or you can log in via Facebook, Google, or using your Apple account. Okay, so I will use my Facebook. Okay, so there are three options before you can connect. You can use the scan your CCUR QR code, which can be found in the inside your box. If you will, let's open our seat. So the QR code is inside this box, or you can use the barcode, or the simplest way is to get your VIN number, which can be found on this part of your motor in the back seat. So there is a VIN number available. Okay, so let's get this VIN number. So before you connect to your app, you open first your Bluetooth. Then you have to turn on your Yamaha Nmax. So be sure that the dashboard is running. Then you go to Bluetooth. Then let's search for your Bluetooth device of your Nmax. So this one. So you can select this one. Go to this device app to pair with it. Then okay. So after you pair your Nmax, let's wait for the device will pair. Okay, so allow, then pair. So after pairing, you go to your app, which is you currently installed. Then you have to enter your VIN number, yung nakita natin kanina. Then start pairing. Perform pairing, turn on mode. Okay, click OK. Make sure that it's already paired. Okay, paired na. Let's try to open our location so that the app can detect our current location. Let's turn on our Wi-Fi. Okay, proceed to Bluetooth pairing. Okay, let's pair it again. Okay, start pairing. So connecting. So our mobile now is connected to our Nmax. Okay, so these are the features of Yamaha Motorcycle Y Connect app. Let's see the features. So you can go to the rave dashboard, so you can view your air temperature, water temperature. In the air temperature can be found in the bottom left, and the water temperature can be found in the right. let's explore this one. You can check your average fuel consumption per day. You can also check your vehicle number, and you can check the parking location. So no GPS signal data. So you need to turn on your location so that the GPS will activate. Okay, so another fuel consumption settings. Use your info. So those are the features of our Y Connect app. So that is how to simply connect your Nmax 2021 model to your app. Okay, thank you for watching.